Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the send and receive errors on your Microsoft Outlook. So if you encounter this kind of error wherein you cannot send and receive messages in your Outlook application, then let's go quick into the process. First is you need to make sure you are connected to an internet connection, and if the internet connection is not the issue, then simply open your Outlook application. Now here in your Outlook application, click on the inbox. Here you need to take a look at the items on your inbox, and then you need to see as to what items on your inbox that is not or that is not necessary or unimportant in short, and we just need to simply delete those items because that will just take some space on your windows, or I mean like in your Microsoft Outlook. And then once that take that space on your Microsoft Outlook, then your inbox will be out of storage and then you cannot receive messages. So might as well delete those unnecessary and unimportant items on your inbox. Also click on your outbox. If there are items right here that has not been sent, then you just need to simply delete those and then just try to resend them. And then close out of here, go to the Windows search bar, type services. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the services window, scroll down to the G section, G as in guava. Here you'll find the service Google Updater internal service. In the Google Updater service, what you can do, make a right click, select properties. Startup type, change that to disabled. Service status, you have to click on stop, click on apply, click on OK. Then also for the Google Updater service, make a right click, select properties. Startup type, change that to disabled. If it is running on your Windows, then you just have to click on stop, click on apply, click on OK, and then simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And afterwards, just need to open your Outlook application again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.